In this video, we will talk the Ripple stablecoins, Bitwise and ETF performance. We also have greater records approximately that ETF to percentage with you. Next, we'll discuss the midterm fee target of XRP. Based on our analysis, you will like these stats. Human beings, without an addition ado, continue to be calm, take a seat and seize a chili. Raise your feet, take hold of a drink, and allow us start. Have a look at what Bitcoin is, $30. Right now it is unavailable. The price of Ethereum has accelerated via 4.46% from the previous day. As of 24.50, it is down 7.14% on each the US Greenback Index and the United States Dollar Index. XRP is currently buying and selling at 58 cents with a goal fee of 60 cents. It appears that the cryptocurrency marketplace is currently seeing a mild decline, especially for October. Yes, I hear the entirety. Guess what, human beings? It's simplest October 2nd. We haven't begun to acquire price. I am pleased with the contemporary kingdom of the markets as we currently hold 2 trillion Bitcoins within their variety. Pay interest to the Bitcoin CME gap, which we were discussing for quite a while, and the capability Bitcoin target placed beneath the $55,000,000 region. The general cryptocurrency market cap is $2,159,000,000. XRP simplest achieved a small push-up. Please deliver me a moment. I guarantee you that we can prevail. I'm positive it's in here. Simply hang on tight, even as I try to locate it. Path. I can't locate it, however, he has been making purchases. His rewards yesterday after a month have been truly out of this world. I believe he made this announcement directly. I recognize I promised to discover it, and he claims to have gotten 1,200 XRP again. Are you kidding me? Yesterday, he says it is paying off big time. He currently owns 174 and has been making purchases every month. Everybody has to begin someplace. There's no cause now not to participate. You need to have an NFT for your Zam pockets to take part. We pay you instantly into your wallet on the primary of each month. You can enter again without having to do something. Take a ruin for 10 to 12 months and overview each XRP. You have accumulated the XRP and you are taken aback when it surpasses $5 and $10. The vision of Ripple changed into true. The web page may be located under, and these are the most current photos. The Halloween theme starting the anticipation for Ripple's upcoming RLUSD strong coin has led to a $1 billion investment in XRP. It's now undergoing non-public trying out at the Ethereum blockchain and the XRP ledger. Can we talk the amount of RLUSD that turned into generated yesterday? I told you my prediction and that they stated it's stay now. It sticks. We learned from a triple worker that he counseled Ripple to get worried in the stablecoin recreation years ago. Folks, it is in no way too late. Recall that it's in no way too late to leap, just like with lions. It is by no means too late to go into the stablecoin game. Just dive in and hold your NFTs. We count on the price of stablecoins to exceed 5 trillion by the stop of this decade, about midway via. They noted that stablecoins might be valued between 3 and 5 trillion, I trust. How many people do not believe USDT? Many groups don't accept as true with it. If you go to Ripple, a legitimate agency and one in every of the most important fintech companies to come out of the Bay Area, and also you take a look at their stablecoin, in which do you believe you studied the cash will rotate? For good motive, Ripple is already minting all the stablecoins. They assume sturdy call for and a use case, and banks and companions are already lining as much as hold a watch on it. The corporation plans to make use of the stablecoin. We discussed the Bitwise XRP ETF on the first day. But I want to concentrate on this changed into a larger photo due to the fact we discussed tokenization, because Nate stated, observe that the complete on tokenization coin may be the following level. Please post this article. Tokenization makes collateral transfers extra effective. The Prototype Pro Challenge features Euroclear and the World Gold Council. Think Ripples are aware about what's going on. There are ongoing discussions approximately tokenization, the capacity of ETFs, and the destiny course of the markets. We have appreciably mentioned tokenization. The assignment validated its capacity to immediately meet intraday margin calls, irrespective of time zones and usual settlement cycles. Tokenized gold eliminated the standard regulations on the usage of treasured metals as collateral together with storage necessities. And government on the World Gold Council said that it's clean wherein that is all headed. I simply need you to recollect how early you're in the sport. The total inflows into the Bitcoin ETF have grown to over 45 billion, making it the fastest developing ETF in records. Folks, due to the fact that it's advent in Q1 of this 12 months, the increase and acceleration of this ETF are glaring. What do you think will show up to an XRP ETF? I'll provide XRP ETF. I'll provide XRP 5 billion. Where's that cash going? I will list the rate I previously noted, and I will repeat it multiple instances. Retail traders can handiest pump these markets to date. These markets have reached such high degrees that we need institutional funding to preserve them. While it is dazzling that those markets have reached $7 to $10 trillion ranges, the marketplace may additionally handiest attain $20 to $30 million. You assume that every to-be-had cryptocurrency will bear within the marketplace, and Brad is correct whilst he says that 90 to 95% of them will eventually disappear. Numerous of those tokens are vain. Memes and coins grabs are merely tokens. They will, in the end, disappear. then when you look at the cash, that is 5, 10, 15, or 20 trillion, and we lessen it from, say, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 cryptos to 1,000 cryptos, that money will flow into the cryptos that we maintain, the actual winners, the real initiatives, the ones with real use cases. And then in which do you consider the charge will upward push? We these days obtain some Bitwise news, but let's not forget about this interview. It's Matt here. Matt Hogan, who became at the Thinking Crypto show not too long in the past, broke the information that Bitwise had filed the XRP ETF. As you may see, many XRP holders requested me if Bitwise was going to take any action regarding XRP in mild of the Ripple lawsuit ruling, which clarified that XRP is not a safety. Bitwise will, don't forget, any facts you choose to proportion at the platform. It currently holds the third biggest position in the Bitwise 10 index with a weight of 3.2%. As you could keep in mind, we removed it from the index at the day the SEC filed its grievance due to the massive quantity of chance it brought into the marketplace. However, the case became filed anyway. The ruling, as you stated, mounted that it failed to qualify as a protection in the majority of cases. As an end result, it is again in the index exactly wherein it belongs, that is, along with your pillows. And we bit by bit delivered it lower back, and now they're filing for that exchange-traded fund, which we already understand is coming. Superb crypto, like, okay, put together to be annihilated, however, as others have observed. We presently have approximately 1,500 Bitcoin in stacked bids ranging from 59 to 60,000. We want to preserve this variety between 52 and 62,000, with extra stacked bids blanketed. Several new spot bidders have now stepped as much as the task. Because they count on falling, I advise you that if there may be a decline, it might not hold long. Seth says that while he doesn't assume this is the lowest factor ever, it would be beneficial if there has been some little respite from those lows for a brief at the same time as I cited earlier, he believes we will close the gap after which egress cryptos like here's your replace. He's searching out a right-away target on XRP to get from a 130 to a 150, as well as his midterm targets, which might be in play. He's searching out $5.50 up to $750. This will allow a few outs to bounce and supply us higher quick possibilities for the subsequent leg down. He states that at the moment, XRP is breaking through that actual wake-up line. He asserts that we have to keep a close above this line for no less than 3 days, after which the price should drop by means of 60 cents. We focused at the 60-degree area below it, must return extra than 60 cents. If Bitcoin does have some respite, the markets may additionally upward thrust once more. We are another time focusing on course 2, which is 66 cents. A breach of this target could lead us to discuss goal 3, that is 3.75 cents. Once you defeat goal 3, your subsequent goal will lie between $30 and $150, a giant psychological distance.